So very good morning everyone, welcome back in the next video. So today we are going to talk about the asteroid belt. As you can see here, earlier we have completed the introduction of our solar system from sun to the Neptune. Okay, so let's begin with the asteroid belt. So here you can see as in the screen. Let me show you. So this belt, this one, this belt, okay, this one. So this belt, or we can say torus shaped asteroids or rocky bodies are there. That is called asteroids. So there are millions of asteroids there, and some dwarf planets are also there. This belt is found between the orbits of Mars. Here you can see Mars and the Jupiter. Okay, here you can see this belt is the Jupiter. This is the orbit of Jupiter and this is the orbit of Mars. And here this belt, asteroid belt, is found in the solar system. Okay, there you can see a lot of millions of asteroids, rocky bodies are there, dwarf planets are there. Okay, next we will talk about one more belt is there beyond our solar system, we can say within solar system actually, and after the Neptune, after the orbit of Neptune, where Pluto is also found in that particular belt. Okay, so after here you can see this is Neptune and this is the orbit of Neptune. After that you can find one more belt is there, this belt, and this belt is known as Kuiper belt. What is the name of this belt? Kuiper belt. Here you can see Kuiper belt. Okay, Kuiper belt. Yes. Here also we can find a lot of millions of rocky bodies or asteroids, you can say, and dwarf planets like Pluto is also there. Okay, Haumea is there, Neptune is there. These are the parts of Kuiper. This is all about the solar system, we can say, or parts of solar system. After that, we will talk about some nearest stars and galaxies. So if we talk about the nearest galaxy, that is Andromeda galaxy. Okay, let me show you. Yes, okay, let me show you. Just a second. Here we can find, let me search. Wait. We can find the Andromeda galaxy. Okay. Yes. Yes, you can see this one. So this galaxy, this one is the nearest galaxy, and this one is our galaxy. This is the Milky Way galaxy, our galaxy, and this is the Andromeda galaxy. Okay, there are some different galaxies also there. Okay, but we will talk about now nearest stars of our sun. Okay, let me show you some stars, nearest star. Okay, yes. So here we can find, let me show you the different names. Proxima Centauri is there. Okay, and Proxima Centauri is there, and Alpha Centauri is there. Okay, yes, Proxima Centauri is there. Yes, here you can find, right? So this one you can see Proxima Centauri is there, Alpha Centauri is there. Okay, there are some different stars also. Let me show you. Like we can different name IP13ORI. Okay, Procyon is there, Sirius is there. Okay, Altair is there. 24 ETSC AS there. Vega is there. Capella is there. Pollux is there. Denebola is there. Okay, yes. Regulus is there. Alnair is there. Alphard is there. Okay, Spica is there. After that, you can see there are some different objects known as nebulas. Okay, here in blue color you can see, like, let me show you here. Yes, like this one. Ring nebula is there, owl nebula is there. Yes, owl nebula is there. Okay, little dumbbell nebula is there. So nebula, we can say basically, what is a nebula? Let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so nebula, we can say basically it's a dust, or we can say cloud of dust. Okay, in the our cosmos, in the universe, that is known as nebula. After that, there are clusters. You can see butterfly cluster is there. So cluster means basically we can say 2 or 3 combined galaxies, that is called cluster. Okay. Then we can see there are wild duck cluster is there. Okay. Now these are the different galaxies and different solar systems. Okay. We can say different star system. Star means basically like sun is also a star, so that we can say the solar system. Not a problem. Okay. So this is all about the solar system. Okay. In upcoming videos, we will start our exploring our Earth. Let me show you. Okay, here Earth is there. Okay. We will explore it in the detailed manner. After that, we will talk about the India and its geography, we can say demography. Okay. Each and everything we will study in details. Thank you so much for this video. Keep learning.